Hello traders and investors. I am R. Harish, SEBI Registered Research Analyst. Disclaimer: investment in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all related documents carefully before investing. The securities quoted are for illustration only and are not recommendatory. For more details on our premium services, contact us at 76399 Opportunity Radar for 15 July post market report of 14 July 2026. Today, market was in a bearish grip. Out of 11 major sectors, 9 closed in red today. Even though there is a positive Q1 beat by HCL Technology, there was a mixed opinion about the IT sector. So, the stock closed in negative today. There is also macro headwinds like crude oil prices rising due to Hormuz issue, as well as Indian rupee is losing against the dollar. All these things are creating a bearish impact on the Indian market. All three indices closed negative this week today, especially Bank Nifty, the major loser among the three, due to the PSU Bank's drag. There is a ICICI Bank and HDFC Bank result on Friday. We have to see the result for the direction of the banking sector. The total sectors, pharma and metal being the top gainers, auto, realty and IT being the top losers today. In the spotlight, there is Biocon, which is on the rise due to a block deal, as well as Concor is also rising because of the increased volume in the shipping sector. Nuvoco see a unusual volume. There was a 74.51x volume in Nuvoco. Shows an institutional footprint. We have to follow this closely for further actions. Top losers being energy and logistics, Aegis Vopak and Aegis Logistics. In IT sell-off, HCL Tech was the major dragger and Newgen Technologies, the mid-cap IT major dragger. There is also a pressure on the credit and real estate sector due to the rate cut delays. We have to closely watch this sector for further developments. In the option market, the support and resistance of max OI write-up is happening very narrowly in 24,000 and 24,100 levels, as well as in Bank Nifty also it is both the call and put max OI is on the 58,000 levels. Both the PCR ratio is showing a mildly bearish sentiment. We have to see tomorrow's price action for a range expansion or a breakout. On the option build-up, bullish stocks being Divis Lab, Adani Power, MCX and Kalyan KJIL, as well as Biocon and Concor. Bearish sector being HCL Tech, Lodha, Credit ACC, MRPL, Thermax, Aegis Vopak and Newgen. The unusual volume in Nuvoco may be a institutional buying. We have to follow up closely for confirmation and further price action on this counter. Tomorrow's watch list. These stocks are just for watch list, selected based on volume, price action as well as fundamental strength. You should not take any buy sell recommendation based on this. All stocks shown here as for illustration only, not recommendatory. You can keep these 4 stocks, Tata Elxsi, LTTS, Divis Lab and Biocon in your watch list for short term view. Tomorrow's key technical levels of Nifty is being support at 23,825 level and resistance at 24,225, hovering around the crucial point of 24,000 levels. Similarly, Sensex has support at 76,600 and resistance at 77,500. 1,000 points narrow range is there in Sensex also. We have to wait and watch how these levels are going to break out and in which direction it is going to break out. As per GAN and time studies, there is a pressure point in the last 10 days of this July month and first 10 days of the August month. So these 20 days we have to wait and watch whether the market is giving a turning point in the bullish direction or bearish direction. We have to decide after this 20 days period only. So long term investors can take a cautious stance before this 20 to 30 days. If you are trusting someone with your stock market journey, choose research over speculation. We are a SEBI registered research analyst. To learn how to trade and invest using our momentum framework, for free consultation and demo of our services, call us at 763 999 3695. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.